Freelancers, get ready. This video is for you. This is the Internet Income Ninja with yet again another video on how to earn money online. If you're interested, there are some links in the description below that show you how to start your own online business. These businesses will help you earn money even if you're sleeping. I kid you not, because they leverage the power of automators or automated systems. So email responders and stuff like that send out emails automatically, and as you know, these things work even if you're not working. So you can literally earn money even when you're sleeping. It's not a joke, it's not some pie in the sky idea. It literally legitimately works. The links below are affiliate links, so this channel earns a commission should you choose to purchase, just full disclosure. But if not, just enjoy the free webinar when you click the link. At least you'll know that these things exist. So without further ado, let's go into the video. Now this website is called coworks.com, and it's a platform where freelancers can find gigs. Now you're wondering what type of freelancer. You could be a designer, a programmer, you could do graphics, anything like that. You could actually find jobs on here with Coworks. Now if you want to, you could compare it to Freelance or Upwork and Fiverr if you want to, but this platform is way simpler to use, way more user friendly. We actually had a testimonial from a CEO. Where is it? Here it is. It said, "We made the move to Coworks from Upwork and are really happy about it. Not only is it much easier to use, our talent is much happier and there is less overhead." So they're realizing that sometimes what's most popular isn't always best. So you're looking for a lower barrier to finding someone good, or you're looking for a lower barrier to competition, Coworks could be that site for you. So to become a freelancer, you simply click for freelancers, right? And you just click sign up. Easy peasy. So you fill out the form. You'll say you're a freelancer, or in this case, if you're looking for talent, you have a business and you're looking for someone to work for you, you say I'm a client, first name, last name, email address, password, sign up. Or you could sign up with LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google and try it. It's less competitive, and I'm sure you could still earn the same rates that you would normally earn on your Upwork and on your Fiverr and all these other places. So give it a try. I would honestly say that this is a wonderful opportunity for you, especially if you're just getting into this space. If you have skills and talents and you're just thinking of getting into freelancing, this could be the platform for you, because like I said, there's lower barrier, there's less competition, lower barriers to entry, right? So you could actually sign up on here and become a dominant figure in your niche in a very short period of time. Alright, so give it a try. Coworks.com, COWORKS, as it says here, .com, and freelancer way to financial freedom. Or if you want, you don't have to exchange your time for money. You could click the links below and learn how you can start your own online business today. Alright guys, it's the Internet Income Ninja, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.